Arthur, DW's Guide to Perfect Manners. My goofy brother Arthur dared me that I couldn't be perfect for one whole day. Well, I'll show him. Just watch me. Good morning, everyone. Will you please pass me the cereal? Thank you, Arthur. Don't worry, Kate. I'll get that for you. The first thing you need to do to be perfect is look perfect. Wash yourself, put on clean clothes, and comb your hair. Arthur said my teeth would turn green if I didn't brush them. I don't think that's true, but I brush them twice a day, sometimes more. I pick up my toys to make my room perfect. I can even make my own bed. You can too. It's no big deal. And besides, it freaks out your parents in a good way. Arthur says I'm always late for school or play dates. Well, even if I am late, I never forget to say goodbye when I leave. I always say hello when I meet somebody. Nobody likes a grouch, so smile a little. Perfect people say, I'm sorry if they mess up or if they hurt someone. They don't say mean words like shut up, poopy, or doo-doo head, even when bad things happen. I almost forgot. If I sneeze, burp, or fart, I just say excuse me, please. Even Arthur likes me then. Burp. Achoo! Excuse me, please. Don't forget to say please when you want something, and thank you if you get it. Whining doesn't work. Trust me, I've tried it. And don't grab things, like some people I know. The Tibble twins need serious help. Being perfect means being careful with other kids' stuff. They don't want to play with you if you break things. Wait your turn. Don't be a bully, and don't be bossy either. Sometimes I have trouble with this one. On the playground, follow the rules of the game so it doesn't get all crazy. Nobody likes a sore loser. If you're the winner, don't brag about it. And try not to laugh at people who make a mistake. You'll look like a baby. Your parents will think you're great if you help out before meals by setting the table. Here's where everything goes. And don't forget to wash your hands before you eat. If you have a brother like Arthur, you might have cooties. Hey! Perfect people chew food with their mouths closed and never slurp their drinks. I try everything on my plate. Most of the time, it might taste good even if it doesn't look good, unless it's spinach. If you spill something, help clean it up. And don't forget to say sorry. When you're finished eating, ask if you may leave the table instead of just walking away. If you're as old as I am, you can carry your dishes to the sink. At night, it's not nice to complain about taking a bath or brushing your teeth. You can play while you get clean. Sometimes I play a little too hard. At bedtime, instead of being a pain and saying, I'm not tired, I read books. Even though I can't read yet, my parents always let me stay up to do that. Oh, and I almost forgot. Give the person who tucks you in a hug. Good manners are so cool. They give you magical powers, and people treat you like a big kid. And you know what? Being perfect isn't so hard. I might even try it again tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Arthur stories, check out my Arthur playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And hey, leave a comment down below. I love reading those. We'll see you all in the next video.